Hello, listeners. In this episode, we are going to learn ballistic missile, biochemistry, broadcasting, Carat, carbon assimilation, catalyst, celestial mechanics, centrifugal force, chain reaction, commutator, and cosmic rays and cosmology. So, this episode is going to be very interesting. This episode is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Ballistic missile. Ballistic missile is a guided missile is used during the relatively brief first phase of its flight and then follows an unchangeable course. The guidance lasts as long as the rocket motors are firing. This action is completely in a few minutes. Then missile follows an arc-like ballistic course like a shell from a gun until its final almost vertical plunge far above the atmosphere at a great height. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is the scientific study of all the chemical process involved in life. Broadcasting. Broadcasting is a radio telephonic transmission primarily intended for reception by the general public. Carat. Carat is a measure of weight used for precious stones. Like 24 karat gold is the purest gold, and while 22 karat gold means a piece of gold in which 22 parts are pure gold and 2 parts are an alloy. Carbon assimilation. Carbon assimilation means that carbon is consumed by plants as their food. Catalyst. Catalyst is the substance or elements whose presence in chemical reaction accelerates or retards the reaction without itself undergoing any change. Celestial mechanics. Celestial mechanics is the term used for the branch of astronomy concerned with the laws governing the motion of heavenly bodies. Centripetal force. The force which tends to pull whirling object towards center of rotation. Chain reaction. A reaction in which a large number of molecules or atoms take part in succession means reaction continues. Commutator. The splittering which forms the main part of a DC dynamo is called commutator. This converts AC into DC, means this converts alternating current into direct current. Cosmic rays. These rays are a part of sunlight having very high frequency. These rays ionizes the substance completely. Cosmology. Cosmology is the substances which solidify in some definite geometric form. Dry ice. Dry ice is nothing but solid carbon dioxide. The liquefied gas under a pressure of 58 atmosphere, which when subjected to sudden release of pressure falls to the bottom in the form of snow, which is compressed into blocks. Dynamo. A dynamo is a device which transforms mechanical energy into electrical energy. Dynamite. Dynamite is an explosive substance which is used to shoot oil wells and in building roads, dams and dam tunnels for removal of rock and hard earth. Hard earth. Electric motor. Electric motor is a device by which electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Electric motor is a type of generator which is used in driving heavy machinery by belts. Electric motors are also used in electric cars, electric motorcycles, etc. I think you find this episode very interesting. So do subscribe and follow us, and also share this episode with your friends. Do not forget to visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com, whose link is given in description of this episode.